Shampoo is an essential part of our daily grooming routine, promising clean, fragrant, and healthy hair. However, like any other product, it has its benefits and drawbacks. In this article, we'll delve into the pros and cons of shampoo, helping you make an informed decision about your hair care routine. The pros of shampoo: cleanses hair and scalp. One of the primary benefits of shampoo is its ability to cleanse the hair and scalp. It removes dirt, oil, and product buildup, leaving your hair feeling fresh and clean. This cleansing action helps prevent scalp issues like dandruff and itchiness. Promotes hair health. Many shampoos are formulated with ingredients that promote hair health. These can include vitamins, minerals, and natural extracts that nourish the hair, making it stronger, shinier, and more resilient to damage. Variety of formulations. Shampoos come in a wide range of formulations to suit different hair types and needs. Whether you have dry, oily, curly, or color-treated hair, there's a shampoo designed specifically for you. This variety allows you to tailor your hair care routine to your unique requirements. Fragrance and freshness. Shampoos often have pleasant fragrances that leave your hair smelling great. This can boost your confidence and make you feel more refreshed and invigorated throughout the day. Convenience and availability. Shampoos are widely available and easy to use. They are a quick solution to maintaining clean hair, and you can find them in virtually any store. This convenience makes it simple to incorporate shampoo into your daily routine. The cons of shampoo. Harsh chemicals. Some shampoos contain harsh chemicals like sulfates, parabens, and synthetic fragrances. These ingredients can strip the hair of its natural oils, leading to dryness, brittleness, and irritation of the scalp. Over time, this can cause long-term damage to your hair and scalp health. Environmental impact. The production and disposal of shampoo bottles contribute to environmental pollution. Plastic packaging is a significant concern, as it often ends up in landfills and oceans. Additionally, some shampoos contain non-biodegradable ingredients that can harm aquatic ecosystems. Potential for overuse. Overusing shampoo can lead to an imbalance in the scalp's natural oil production. Washing your hair too frequently can strip away essential oils, causing your scalp to produce more oil to compensate. This can result in a cycle of greasy hair and more frequent washing. Allergic reactions. Some individuals may be allergic to certain ingredients in shampoo, such as fragrances or preservatives. This can lead to scalp irritation, redness, and itching. It's important to read the ingredient list and do a patch test if you have sensitive skin. Cost. While there are affordable shampoos available, high-quality or specialized shampoos can be expensive. If you have specific hair care needs, you may find yourself spending more on shampoos to achieve the desired results. Tips for choosing the right shampoo. Identify your hair type. Understanding whether your hair is dry, oily, curly, straight, or color-treated will help you choose a shampoo tailored to your needs. Check the ingredients. Look for shampoos with natural, nourishing ingredients and avoid those with harsh chemicals like sulfates and parabens. Consider your scalp. If you have a sensitive scalp, opt for gentle, hypoallergenic shampoos that are free from fragrances and dyes. Eco-friendly options. Choose shampoos with environmentally friendly packaging and biodegradable ingredients to reduce your environmental impact. Frequency of use. Avoid washing your hair daily unless necessary. Aim for 2-3 times a week to maintain a healthy balance of natural oils. Conclusion. Shampoo plays a crucial role in maintaining clean and healthy hair, but it's essential to choose the right product and use it wisely. By weighing the pros and cons, you can make informed decisions that benefit both your hair and the environment. Remember to consider your hair type, check the ingredients, and be mindful of your washing frequency to achieve the best results. Thanks. Please like, share, and subscribe.